Welcome to Alliée Homes. The Alliée mobile application is only for technicians, affiliates, store manager and marketing person. First log in to the Alliée application. Technicians, affiliates, store manager and marketing person, they all can perform according to their role. First log in, but generally they can create inquiry. But be careful while filling all the details, as all the details will be useful till the inquiry is completed. Like if you want to deliver the material to the end customer, then you have to fill in the running site details of the end customer. And once you add all the details and submit the inquiry, there is no option to edit or delete the submitted inquiry. Now you can see your submitted inquiry in the running projects. You can also view all your ongoing inquiries in the running projects. Click on your specific running project. In it you can see the project details, and in it you can also see all the personal details of the client. Here you can view your project status and timeline. In the project status and timeline, you can view the status of inquiry created on. After inquiry formation, now it's time for response by company. Company will approve your inquiry. After company approval, you can see here that the inquiry has been approved by the company. Technicians, marketing person, and store manager can take client response. In that you can view three options: confirm by client, hold by client, cancel by client. Now perform site visits, collect all requirements. Now you can view economic product. In the product section you can see all the products and accessories along with their rates. Select the specific product as per your requirement and add quantity as per your requirement. You can also add courier charges and installation charges as per your service. Now you can view display quotation. After the quotation is generated, they can also update the quotation if there is any change in the order or requirement. If you do not want to show the company information to the end customer, the option is available as hide company information in the application. Now if you want to download or send anyone the quotation PDF, yes, you can do by download PDF. Once you confirm quotation, then click on request for proforma. After the proforma invoice is generated, only the franchisee can proceed for payment. An easy option is available for payment in the web portal. Once payment is cleared or by franchisee, you can get order confirmation. After order confirmation, now it's for technicians, for installation and training. Once the installation and training is done, your project is complete. At the last, in feedback and experience section, you can share your thoughts regarding our products' quality, services and other experiences.